breakthrough in AI just happened with Mlc-ai's web-llm. Imagine running high-performance large language models directly in your browser, no servers required. The team just released an in-browser LLM Inference engine that's changing the game. With web-llm, you can deploy AI models instantly without worrying about infrastructure or scalability. This means developers can focus on building AI applications, not managing servers. The engine is optimized for performance, using WebAssembly and WebGPU to accelerate computations. As noted by researchers at Stanford University, in-browser AI inference is a key enabler for widespread AI adoption. Early adopters are seeing significant speedups and cost savings. For instance, complex AI tasks are now completing in seconds, not minutes. This tech has huge implications for AI accessibility and democratization. Developers can now integrate AI into their web apps with ease. The future of AI is here, and it's in browser. Subscribe for more AI updates and hit the like button if you're excited about the possibilities of web